Hello and welcome to a demonstration of the Welch Allyn 6100 ambulatory blood pressure monitor. Now this unit has been validated to the British Hypertension Society protocols and given a AA rating, and it's worn during the test in this black case, which can be worn with a waist belt or a shoulder strap if you prefer. Those both come with the unit. Now it connects to the patient with this cuff, and the cuff has a separate sleeve on it for easy fitting to the patient, and on the outside of the sleeve there's an artery marker for correct positioning. So you wrap the cuff around the patient's arm into place and then connect the cuff to the unit with the cable. Now all the setup for the ABPM is done on the computer. So when you're ready to take the test, you go into the Welch Allyn Cardio Perfect software and enter the patient details you want, which of course can include the patient number and or their surname. When you're happy with that, click OK. Those details go into the database, and then you can connect the unit to the PC with your USB cable. Go up to the ABP icon, click on that. If there are measurements still on the device, you can assign those to the patient or delete them, and then it confirms the identity of the new patient. Now you can preset all of the timings for this, so if you wanted time to the British Hypertension Society recommendations of every half hour during the day and an hour during the night, you can, but you can preset that so you don't need to change those for every patient. But you can also take the maximum inflation pressure down from 270 to whatever you want it to be for a particular patient. When the unit first inflates, it'll go to 160 millimeters, and if it doesn't get a reading at that level, it'll wait a couple of minutes and then try again at 180. If it doesn't get a reading that, it'll wait a couple of minutes and try again at 200, and it will keep going up until it gets a reading or until it reaches the inflation pressure that you've put the limit on. So when you're happy with the setup, you click OK, and all the details are sent from the PC to your unit. And at that point, the test, as far as the machine is concerned, is in progress. You disconnect it from the USB cable, and then while the patient is still in the surgery, you give them a test which will be shown on the display screen on the front of the ABPM. You do that by pressing the blue button twice. And when it records, it displays the systolic and the diastolic heart rate together with the pulse on the display screen. And that's the only reading that will be seen on the screen during the course of the test. The rest of the time, the only thing that the patient will see will be the time of day which it takes from your computer. So at that point, you'll put the cuff onto the patient, over the shoulders, into the case and around their waist. Our full range of spares and more cuffs are available from Medisave telesales team or via the website. And if you'd like to see a full demonstration of this product in your surgery before purchase, please contact Medisave and they'll arrange it for you. Thanks for watching.